Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss the discovery of neutron by James Chadwick in 1932. In the previous video we discussed how proton was discovered by J.J. Thomson through Crookes tube experiment. After the discovery of proton, another scientist, Henry Moseley, discovered the concept of atomic number, and he proved that the fundamental of all the properties of an atom is atomic number. It is in fact the atomic number on which the properties of atoms or elements depend. But it was also revealed that the masses of different atoms were higher than the number of protons in the atoms. So it was believed that there must be another particle present in atom that was not so far discovered, that was also responsible for the heavier nature of atom, and that also contributed into the mass of the overall mass of an atom. The reason why it took so long to discover this particle was in fact due to the neutral nature of this particle, neutron. The James Chadwick was actually a nuclear scientist, and he was primarily interested in converting elements through artificial transmutation, means bombarding different elements with the radioactive rays such as alpha particles or beta particles. He was interested in converting one element into another. So in one such experiment he bombarded beryllium, which is an element and the member of second A group. He bombarded beryllium with the alpha particle, which is actually which are actually fast moving helium nuclei. We will show it in equation how it took place. So he bombarded beryllium with alpha particles, and he was able to convert beryllium into another element, carbon. Beryllium was converted into carbon, and along with this conversion few particles were discovered. They were emerging out of this interaction, and these particles were found to have no charge, and their mass was found to be equal to the mass of proton. So these particles, as we can see on the charge detector, has zero charge. So they are actually neutral particles, and their mass is equal to the mass of proton, and they were named as neutron because of neutral nature. What actually takes place can be shown in this equation. Alpha particles are actually fast moving helium nuclei. They have two positive charge, the mass is 4, and the atomic number or the number of protons are 2. We are bombarding it with beryllium. Beryllium has the atomic number of 9 and the atomic mass 9 and atomic number 4, and we are obtaining carbon, which is atomic mass 12 and atomic number 6, means it has 6 number of protons. And another particle apart from carbon was neutron, which has 1 mass number and 0 charge number. It is in fact having no charge. So we can witness here that, and as we know that in the radioactive interactions or radioactive decays, the sum of the numbers written above must be equal at both sides, and sum of the numbers written below must be equal at both sides. So we can see 4 plus 9 is 13. Here 12 plus 1 is also equal to 13. In this case 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and here 6 plus 0 is also equal to 6. So no change in mass is taking place, and beryllium is getting converted into carbon, and a neutral particle was also emerged out of this, which was named as neutron, and it was discovered through this experiment by James Chadwick. So we can briefly write here We have so far been able to discuss all the fundamental particles of atom, electron, proton, and neutron. We can summarize them as electron, proton, neutron. Electron has the charge minus 1.60 exponent minus 19 coulomb. Proton has charge plus 1.60 exponent minus 19 coulomb. It has zero charge. Conventionally, it has the charge of negative 1, it has the charge of positive 1, and it has definitely zero charge. The mass of an electron is 9.1 exponent minus 31 kilogram, and the mass of a proton is 1.67 3 into 10 power, and this number may be wrong because 1.67 is a certain number. 1.673 or 4 exponent minus 27 kilogram, and the mass of neutron is also approximately equal to the mass of proton, 1.675 exponent minus 27 kilogram. So these are the specifications of these fundamental particles. The mass of one electron in the units of AMU is 5.5. It is into 10 power minus 4 AMU, and the mass is 1 AMU of proton, and the mass of neutron is also equal to 1 m. So these are the basic points about these fundamental particles. The major area of this discussion was the discovery of neutron that was made by this experiment, in which alpha particle and beryllium were made to interact with each other. Beryllium was bombarded with alpha particle that converted it into carbon, and and few neutral particles were also emerged, and these neutral particles were found to be neutrons. In the coming video, we will explain the Rutherford atomic model, in which nucleus was discovered. Thank you.